At the 2020 Zhuhai Air Show, China's military industry has showcased to the world strategic-level equipment capable of changing the shape of warfare. This revolutionary aircraft carrier features an unprecedented combat concept and a disruptive technical architecture. As the first practical HIVE drone in human history, 9-day aircraft carrier drone sets multiple world records. For a staggering 7,000-kilometer combat radius, enough to cover all strategic locations from the first island chain to the Indian Ocean with a practical sound line of 15,000 kilometers. This high-altitude capability is beyond the reach of traditional ground-based air defense systems. 9 days to demonstrate amazing multitasking abilities. 6-ton super-large payload nuclear. It can be flexibly configured with various combat module capabilities to mount YJ-12 supersonic anti-ship missiles, heavy precision-guided weapons such as the Perak-15 long-range air-to-air missile, release 200 to 300 micro-drones with autonomous coordination capabilities over the theater, combination of various heavy stretch-packed smart swarm. The core technology breakthrough of this system lies in its intelligent wind patrol cooperative combat system, capable of controlling hundreds of functions in real time. The Child of Righteousness and the unmanned mechanism build a three-dimensional intelligent anti-personnel emperor in the grinding team field. The wind group can protect the enemy battle group at the same time, and the multi-search building product thieves will fight Zidong. Constant electronic suppression or targeting of ground targets does not interfere with multiple strikes. Clustering algorithm based on artificial intelligence can autonomously optimize attack path. Achieve operational coordination that traditional weapon systems cannot match. The stunning system realizes the mysterious level of the battlefield and begins to perceive the distribution. It is a swarm control technology. This system has been innovated for 19 days and has been equipped with the ability to reduce the siege against the traditional prevention and control system. The government's art of war was strictly enforced by Sun Tzu. The Dragon Cave is above the 9 heavens. Not only represents China's leading position in the field of drone technology, he is using the most hardcore scientific and technological strength to write a new era of war without fighting.